What if I told you that most people waste their entire lives without even realizing it until it's too late? The truth is, we don't get an unlimited amount of time. On average, you and I have about 4,000 weeks to live. That's it. The real tragedy isn't that life is short. The tragedy is that we waste it on the wrong things. In this video, I'll show you 7 mindset shifts and habits that will help you stop wasting time and start living fully today. Shift number 1: time is life, not money. They say time is money, but that's the biggest lie. You can lose money and earn it back, but once time is gone, it's gone forever. Think about it. If you waste 2 hours a day scrolling, that's 30 days a year. An entire month is gone. Imagine what you could do with one extra month every year. Learn a skill, start a business, get in shape. Try this simple exercise. For the next week, track how you spend every hour. Just like budgeting money, you need to budget your time. Shift number 2: spot the silent time killers. It's not the big distractions that kill us, it's the small ones. Just one more episode, just 5 more minutes on Instagram, those tiny justs add up to years of your life. The average person spends 7 years on social media and 3 years watching TV. That's a decade you'll never get back. Here's what worked for me, and you can do the same. Do a scroll audit. Next time you're on your phone, set a timer for 10 minutes. When it rings, ask, did this make my life better or just kill time? That awareness alone can cut your screen time in half. Shift number 3: use the 80-20 rule. 80% of your results come from 20% of your actions. The problem? Most people spend their days on the 80% that doesn't matter. One quick way to make this real in your life is every morning ask, what's the one thing I could do today and would make everything else easier or unnecessary? Do that first, before emails, before Instagram, before busy work. Shift number 4: design your time. Successful people don't rely on willpower, they rely on systems. If you don't design your day, someone else will. Let me give you something tangible to try. Try time blocking. Reserve 90 minutes in the morning for your number one goal and 60 minutes in the evening for reflection, journaling, or reading. Protect your mornings like gold. They decide the quality of your day. Shift number 5: the evening rule. Everyone talks about morning routines, but here's the secret: your evenings decide your growth. What you do between 7 p.m. and 10 p.m. matters more than what you do at 7 a.m. Here's a small action you can take right now. Replace 1 hour of evening Netflix with an hour of learning, building, or reflecting. Do this for 90 days and watch how your life changes. Shift number 6: Memento Mori. Remember, you will die. This may sound dark, but it's powerful. The Stoics practiced something called Memento Mori. Remember that you will die. When you live with that awareness, small distractions lose their power. You stop putting off the things that matter. Try this exercise. Start your mornings with this reminder. If today were my last day, would I be proud of how I'm about to spend it? Shift number 7: build a time-rich life. A time-rich life isn't about having more hours, it's about using the ones you already have wisely. Here's a practical tip. Each week, ask yourself 3 questions. What stole my time? What gave me energy? What will I stop doing next week? Your calendar is your life story. Make it a story you're proud of. If this video made you stop and think, don't just scroll away. Hit like, share it with a friend who needs this, and drop a clock in the comments if you're ready to stop wasting time. And if you want more practical tips on how to master your time, grow as an entrepreneur, and live with purpose, make sure to subscribe because your time is too valuable to waste.